Today we will unbox and review the Speedo swimwear for men, also called as the men's swimming trunks. The name of this particular model is polyviscose shorts. Always try to remove the outside packaging by hand, because when you are using the scissors, there is a good chance you might end up cutting your own underwear. Speedo is world's #1 swim brand, founded well over 100 years ago in Sydney 1914. This particular product is 100% chlorine resistant, and this is a size 32 product. It will fit you tightly, and it is advisable that you wear another underwear inside it when you are swimming. It also offers the UPV 50+ ultraviolet protection from the sunlight. All Speedo stuffs comes in really nice and attractive packaging. It is very unlikely for the shipment to get damaged in transit. Size 32 is actually 80 cm as per the company. The fabric is 53% polyester, 47% PBT, and it dries faster after swimming. It is recommended that you wash it with hand only. Fit type is stretchable. And overall it is a very comfortable product. You can not only use it in the pool but can also wear it on the beaches as well. At the end of the video I will wear it to see how it looks like. In the meantime, if you want to buy this product, I will leave a link in the description box.